If you wanted to cut your sandwich in half, then you can get the knife and slide it into where the strings are, where the fingers meet the palm, because that's where you'll get the best grip. So you can just move it across. Make sure you have your knife a certain way when you're picking it up, so that it's easiest angle to do what you want to do. So I find if the pointy bit go in the grasp grip mode, where the thumb can kind of hold up the knife, and then if you close your fingers like so, you can rotate the knife a bit if you want, freeze it, turn the wrist round, and then you can just cut into your sandwich so you have smaller pieces. Now you have 2 sandwiches.